everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Devonna Nicole. Thank you for stopping by to catch this video. This channel is about doing a lot of beauty subscription unboxing, hauls, home decor. Today we are unboxing the Izzy and Liv Brown Sugar box. Now this is a black owned company. Their boxes are monthly. This is a monthly subscription. The subscription costs $39.95 every month. The best part about their subscription that I love is that you can always pick and choose or skip months. So you don't have to consistently pay for it every month. If you want to skip, you can skip. You can go put it out 3 or 4 months, and they let you do it so far in advance, which is what I really like, because I like to pick the box up a couple of times a year. I don't want it every single month, but I like to pick it up a couple of times throughout the year and skip a few months where I don't think that I will want it, so, or are not interested at that particular moment. Sometimes you got other things going on. You don't need 50,000 subscription boxes coming in. So that's the best part of this subscription that I love. We are going to get into unboxing. This is my June 2021 box. This company does ship out their products for their subscription boxes at the end of the month. So if you order it for June, you're not going to get it till the end of June. So that is why we're reviewing this box right now. I actually thought I had skipped this month, but apparently I skipped after this month. So I'm not going to have it for a little while. It'll pop back up probably in the fall. I'll have unboxings for you, but we're going to get right into this. This is a lifestyle subscription, so it has a variety of different things inside. Let's see what we got this month. Alright, so when I first open it up, I do see a big behind hat, so you guys can see too. So I guess we'll start with our little booklet. So every month Izzy and Liv has their little magazine in here, and it's so cool because when you first open it up, you'll have your products for the month, a box value in here. They have little articles relating to whatever the theme is for that particular month. So this month we have a summertime fly edition, so everything in here probably will be related to summertime. They'll show you how to use some of your products, so we have little articles like that in there. And they'll have like a little playlist in the summertime, like things like what's on your playlist or what you can add to make it fun. And then they always have the beauties of the month listed in here. So if you had a previous box and you submitted your picture, you may be one of the lucky ladies that's inside. So let's get started. I'm going to pull out the first thing I can grab here. So it looks like we have sunglasses. Always need sunglasses. Ah, look at this. Alright, I got to try them on, right? Because I love sunglasses. Ooh, look at me. Oh, this is glamorous, honey. Yes. This is me all day. All day, they do good. This is so cute. I love these. Ooh, I might be wearing these when I leave here today. Have my sunglasses on. So our sunglasses, let's see what the value of the sunglasses are. Sunglasses have a $20 value, and it's eyes on the prize sunglasses. So I thought that was cool. I like that. Our next product, what is this? Oh, so this is a shower cap. And let me get it out the packaging so you guys can see it a bit better. Oh, look how it's made up. Different. I guess it look like this on me. I'm probably gonna mess up my hair, but okay, just so that I can show you guys. So this is good for when I don't have a bunch of extensions in and I need a smaller cap. I would say that will work out pretty well. But this is, it's melanin, or oh no, I'm reading the wrong thing. Hold up. Where's this shower cap? Oh, came through dripping is the name of the shower cap. Came through dripping. This is a $22 value shower cap. So that's okay. All right, take it. I hope I don't look all crazy looking on camera, but I had to show you guys. And it has a little bow on the side. Different. But I'm a big hair person, and normally my hair don't always fit in these, but I can still use this. I'm pretty cool with that. $22 for a shower cap. Don't quite know about that price though. And we always get a shirt or something in our Izzy and Liv every month. So this is the shirt that I have. And I'm going to take it out the bag so you guys can see. Oh, it's a tank. So this month I have a tank. And let's see what it says. You guys saw before me. Peace, love, and melanin. All right. So it's fun little it's melanin, peace or love tie-dye tank. This is valued at $22. I have it in a size large. I normally get my shirts in large from them, and I'm pretty happy with the fit. So that's cute. Let's see what else we have. And now let's get to the big hat here. Is the first thing that I saw when I opened the box. So this is our hat, and this is cool for the beach. Nice little beach hat. Beach hat, please. Sun hat. This is valued at $25. And what does it say on here? Brown Skin Beauty is written on the bottom of our hat. And let's see how I'm going to look on the beach. Chilling with my Brown Skin Beauty hat on. Ooh. But I just wanted to show you guys what my big hat, what my hat is going to look like on me. But this will be cute for the summer, for the beach. Definitely, as it is extremely been nice. It's been like the heat, the weather, and for the East Coast, 90 degrees, like almost every week. So this will be great for me to take to the beach. That's cute. And we got one more item in here, guys. Let's see what we got. And this is what it looks like before I open it up so you guys can check it out. So it has a nice print on it of a black woman with big earrings and some other little designs on it. And this is going to be the Rainy Days Caftan dress. Oh, and apparently you can style it different ways. Let's see what we have. Oh, wow. So this is the caftan here. And I guess you guys probably want to know what this look like on me. Let me pop this on real quick over my clothes so I can show you. So guys, I came back on camera with my caftan on. This thing is long and woo, it's plenty of room in here, definitely for me. But they said you could style it different ways. You can have it with one side with your shoulder down, so you can do it a couple of different ways. This is neat. This has a value, guys, of $54. Wow. Definitely need it for the summertime because it's been super hot. I can't wait to use it. This would be a nice lounge wear outfit for me in the house. I probably wouldn't wear this out. You can wear this out. More or less my style. I don't know if I will wear this out, but for me this is a great lounge day piece, and it's very long. Got lots of fabric, and let me know if you guys like it. I think it's cute. $54 is a lot for a caftan, but it's a dress. I mean, I'm just cheap. That's just me. So guys, in review, we have for our box, for the June box, Brown Sugar box, we have the caftan that I'm wearing. We have our shower cap here. We have our sunglasses that, you know, I can look so glamorous. We have our hat. I think I'm officially summer ready. What you guys think? Summer ready. Summer ready. And we have our tank top. So that is our box for June 2021, Izzy and Liv. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please go check out Izzy and Liv Brown Sugar box. It is a great box. You're supporting Black women. And I was pretty satisfied with my box this month. I mean, I always like getting my shirts. I have many of those. I guess I was least happy probably about this shower cap because it's got a big head and I don't think all my hair gonna fit in here. But it was a fun box. So you guys let me know what you think about this box. If there was something that you really loved out of here, let me know what it is. And I tried to put everything on to the best of my ability so you can see what everything looked like. I hope you enjoyed my little demo of the things I received in this box. Please come back to my channel. Check me out again. We have other unboxings that you can watch on this channel. I do weekly uploads, so I hope to see you guys soon. And hit me in the comments. Let me know what you liked out of this box. And if you're receiving the box, did you get something in a different color than me that you want to talk about? Let me know. Hit me up. Thanks, YouTube family. I will see you guys again. Bye. As I put on my glasses and go out like a real diva. Bye, darling. So ready for summer. Bye. Bye, YouTube.